Hi there. I hope you are well. So in this video, I'll share how to manage the logout functionality of your project. So currently, this logout function is visible in here rightly, but the problem arises. It's not functional. So I just show you. So suppose look at this. This is the model is open. This models comes from when I into our section category. So I humble request. So guys, if you totally understand this project perfectly, be mention of your so humble request to please follow the serial of this playlist also. Otherwise, you will not understand actually. So this model is comes from our section. So when yes, and currently it's not work. Maybe look at it. I just once again so log out and is yes maybe not work. So our goal is to make it functional. Okay. Let's see for VS Code and should take action. Okay, look at this our VS Code. So first of all, we just clean up our code editor. It will be better to understand. So here, so now go to our dashboard as well. What's happened? So here is this dashboard, and this logout is functionality is in here. So got the format. Okay, here is this. Actually, here is this the logout functionality, and we just build the logic in here actually. Okay. Okay. Now here is this is a header, and also see this is the model. Actually, this models comes from in here. Okay. So now this button is yes or no. Are you want to maybe just this is the yes button. Okay, we just what just hold what happened. It's better so make formatting is easily to understand. Okay, that's why. Yeah, and now go to the forms. Here is the form and wrapping the button as well. Cool. Once again, make it format. Okay, perfect. So now what can I do? So it will be definitely method will be post. So make sure your action perfectly. It will be the route. Okay. Definitely here is this CSRF. I hope everything is fine. Okay. Okay, here is this our web.play.php. Make sure your route put it correctly. Here is this the admin. Prefix will be admin, role is called admin, or route is put in here. Okay, route get. Sorry, it will be post. So log out. Admin controller class destroy. Some name will be logout. I hope everything is fine. Yeah, and now we need to make our function for destroy. Okay, so go to admin controller, destroy. Okay, okay, here is this destroy. Now go to request and it will be request, or definitely it will be redirect response. Redirect response, and it will be auth facade static class built in Laravel. So card, this card is web, and this logout. Here is this. I hope it will be fine. This requires a session invalidate request session regenerate token. What happened here? Oh, return redirect. So better we just put for admin login, and later we will not needed well for. Okay, listen, everything is perfect. Return redirect. Okay, so let's see. Go to the browser and check is everything is right or not, and look at this is the auth guard is web, and actually how the auth guard is comes. I just show you in Laravel. Go to, okay, just what happened. Here is this config. Okay, this is our config folder, and here is this is a auth.php, and look at that auth.php. Here is mentioned default guard auth guard web, and this is the session. Okay, this is a guard web driver session provider users. So that's why we just use for session and auth guard web. I hope you will be understand, or if you have any queries about the particular things, so please be mentioned for this video description and comment below, and I will try to of your reply answer reply. Okay, go to browser as well. Just skip reload. Okay, fine. Now go to the logout and the CS. Yes, login.html, but it's work actually. Okay, just we try for this dashboard. Look at that. See. Oh no, what's happened? Session will not work. So, mm, what happened in here? Route is didn't call. Okay, let's see what's the happen. Okay, okay, just go to VS Code. Actually, I make a small mistake here. Look at that. This is the anchor tag included in here, so definitely not needed. So that's why login.html will be came in here. Actually, it passed the route for admin login, not login.html. So go to browser. Perfect, and goes once again goes to the reload. Yes, we just try for once again. Huh? I hope it will be work. Now in here, go to the logout and boom. Yes, look at that admin login. But don't worry. In uh, next video, we'll be cover for admin login. But once again, we'll be try for admin dashboard. Yeah, that's not work. Okay, so it will completed the logout process and you will get the source code as well. Look at that. I just keep reload for GitHub and all this source code in here. Okay, all this source code. Just wait. Look at the logout functionality done. So you will easily get to the source code. So thank you so much. If you please humble request, if you like this video, please subscribe, and also if you need the full source code of this project, please contact with via WhatsApp. And also here, look at this is the automatic bot included in here. So how can manage of your bot is recruiter name, email, and phone number, and definitely start up your chatting with our bot. So how to integrate in this type of feature of your application? So please step by step I will show you. Just keep with our channel. So hopefully you will learn a lot of things and build a experienced level developer. So okay, thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.